How is your roof holding up after the spring storms? Do you have any missing shingles or bare patches? Or roof granules collecting in your gutters or downspouts? These are all signs your roof is in need of replacement. At Allstate's Home Improvement, we provide free roof assessments and assistance with the insurance process. Our professional installers use the highest quality materials, work efficiently, and focus only on your job until completion. And it's all backed by our 50-year factory warranty. Your new roof will enhance your home's value, provide peace of mind, and help protect your investment. Allstate's Home Improvement is highly rated with over 1,000 Google reviews and over 30,000 happy local customers. You can rely on us for your home project. Call us for a free no-obligation consultation.
Don't wait! Take advantage of our summer offer. 25% off materials and no payments and no interest for 12 months.
Call Allstate's Home Improvement to update your home.
Let our family work for yours.